Imagine an asteroid, hurtling through space, larger than the one that brought an end to the dinosaur era. What would be the consequences if such a massive object were to collide with our planet? The potential consequences of an asteroid impact of this magnitude would be catastrophic. Environmental disasters would be the first to unfold, with massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions triggered by the intense shockwave generated by the impact. The initial blast would release an enormous amount of energy, causing widespread destruction of entire cities and ecosystems. The geological aftermath would also be devastating, with the impact crater itself becoming a massive depression, potentially even causing a prolonged impact winter. The massive amount of debris thrown into the atmosphere would block out sunlight, leading to a significant drop in global temperatures, and making it difficult for life to thrive. The global economy would likely collapse, and societies would struggle to respond to the disaster, with governments and emergency services overwhelmed by the sheer scale of the destruction. Millions of people would be displaced, and the world would be plunged into chaos. As the impact winter dragged on, food and water would become scarce, leading to widespread famine and disease. The very survival of humanity would be at stake, as the rules of society broke down, and people were forced to fight for their very existence. If an asteroid of this magnitude were to hit Earth, the immediate effects would be felt globally, with the blast wave and subsequent earthquakes and tsunamis causing widespread destruction on a massive scale. The long-term implications would be equally dire, with the impact potentially leading to a prolonged period of cold and darkness, similar to the conditions that followed the dinosaur extinction event. In the aftermath of such an event, scientists have suggested that the impact could lead to a prolonged period of cooling, similar to the ice ages that have occurred in the Earth's past. This would have a devastating impact on global food production, leading to widespread famine and societal collapse. The urgency of planetary defense measures cannot be overstated, as scientific studies have repeatedly shown that asteroid impacts are not just a theoretical risk, but a very real threat to human civilization. The evidence suggests that we are not doing enough to prepare for this eventuality, and that our current defense systems are woefully inadequate to deal with an asteroid of this size. It is imperative that we take immediate action to develop more effective detection and deflection strategies, or risk facing the very real possibility of extinction. The potential consequences of an asteroid impact are too great to ignore, and it is our responsibility to take action to protect our planet from this existential threat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on asteroid impacts in the comments below.